What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be working on the 240. So today we're gonna be taking this out. What we did in the last video, as you guys seen, we tried to fix the connecting rod bearings on the car. It did not work. The engine started knocking again shortly after. It's due to the fact that the cam was pretty much worn out. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go pull the engine and we're gonna find a replacement engine, but that gives us an opportunity to rebuild this one for you guys, or for us, I should say. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and pull this engine. It's fairly simple. You pretty much just disconnect the wires, undo the mounts, drain all the fluid, and pull it out. It's not hard, it's just very tedious work. The main thing is that you remember where all your plugs go, because when you take apart this engine, or any engine I should say, you want to make sure you plug everything back in so that the car runs exactly how it's supposed to run. So what I'm probably gonna do is probably tape off, like I know these go to the MAF, this is gonna go to the distributor. I'm just mark them all, pretty much just put like a piece of tape or something and then just write and label where they go. As far as the bolts, I like to put them back where they came from. So this was here, put them back here. I took off the intake assembly, I put the bolts and the nuts back where they came from. So try to do that as much as possible. That way when you're putting everything back together, the bolts and the nuts are exactly where they're supposed to be, so that way you're not mixing matching bolts. So first things first, you always want to make sure you take out your battery, because you don't want to short out the ECU or anything like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and drain all the fluids in this car, and then we can go and continue on with taking everything apart. Twist it. This is how you
also do it right.
Yeah. Remember where it goes? Alright, so this little clip is going to go to that little plug in the back of the intake manifold. I don't know what it's called, but in case you forget, that's where this little clip goes. Alright, quick update guys. This has been about 20 to 30 minutes since that last clip, and we've pretty much got the power steering, the compressor for the AC system all unbolted, unplugged, as well as the exhaust on there. It is unbolted from the manifold. This whole side is pretty much ready to come out. Kristine just went ahead and removed the heater lines and all that from this side. So now we're gonna go ahead and unplug the alternator, the starter, and then take the rest of the plugs off of the transmission on there. And majority of it looks like it's ready to come out.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna need to take off the shifter. I'm kind of nervous because there's no cracks whatsoever in all of these interior pieces, so just try to do it as carefully as I can. Oh, there we go. And then I just have to take off these 10mm bolts, and I think there should be 6 more bolts under here. I believe they're 12s, or they might be 10s. We got it out. Alright guys, so everything has been unbolted. Blaine and Kaylee are over here building the cherry picker, and then we can go ahead and pull this engine out.
Show them the wheel you're doing. Tell them what you did.
The things that I did was this part.
It's on the screw you put in.
Yeah, this is the screw that I put in. And this is what my daddy did.
So we're gonna put the back wheels on too now, right?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna find the other 2 wheels. We're gonna put those on as well.
Alright guys, here is our crane. It's all built and ready to go.
So I need a
smile, oh yeah. And now you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.
Oh. For today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is actually our first time pulling an engine and rebuilding it, so I hope you guys are along for the journey. All the parts are supposed to come in very soon, so as soon as we get them in, we're gonna start rebuilding this thing so we can get this car back on the streets. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys cop some stickers from the website. I'll show you guys one of the new stickers that we have available. We have the new Diamonds on a Budget Garage Oil Slick stickers, and we also have this one in white. And this is also one of the new styles that we have on the site as well. So if you guys haven't copied your stickers already, make sure to head to the description below and there'll be a link to the site. If you guys have anything you guys want us to show in the videos, you guys want to be a part of it, you can send anything to our PO box. Here is the address right here. We just want to support you guys just as much as you guys support us. We really do appreciate it. We are planning on coming out with more merch pretty soon, so we just have some final touches that we have to make and they will be up on the site. We will let you guys know when everything is available. Thank you guys so much for rocking with us. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay cool.